Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download and log in to the StockX app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. After you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Play Store app. Once you're on the home page of the Play Store app, on the top of your screen, you'll see a search for apps and games option. Go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on the search option, type in StockX and hit the search button. Once you hit the search button, the StockX option will appear on your screen. Go ahead and click on the install option. After the StockX app is fully downloaded and installed on your device, hit the open option. Now, once the app is open on your device, go ahead and click on the bottom right corner of your screen, which is the profile option. After you click on the profile option, the account menu will appear on your screen. The second option on the profile menu is the login option. Go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on the login option, you will be directed to a different window where you will have to fill in some credentials. You will have to fill in your email address here, your password here, or you can also continue with Google, Facebook or Twitter. I hope this video helped you to download the StockX app and log into it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.